Tune in, tap in, make sure you tapped in. All 2021, we're gonna be showing y'all how to achieve wealth. Let's get it. What's going on, YouTube family? It's your boy Cash, your favorite wealth advisor. Today, I want to show y'all how easy it is to start a business. I feel like everybody should at least have a LLC or a corporation under their belt. There's so many advantages that you could take advantage of by having an LLC or a corporation. And today, I want to help you get established with starting your business. Let's dive in. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all hit the like button. And stay tuned. We're going to be dropping a lot of free game. So I like to use a site called My Corporation. Y'all see that right there? My Corporation. Now you can use any site. Just Google start a LLC or corporation and sites will pop up. But I like to use My Corporation. As you can see, you go right here, click Start Business. It's asking you, do you want to do a corporation, LLC, non-profit? These are all different ways you can start a business. So you want to go on and click. I usually like to use S corporations because I run my businesses. I pay myself, and you get tax benefits whenever you do a S corporation. You get to pass the taxes from your corporate business down to your personal, and you get to write off different expenses, so you end up paying cheaper in taxes. So what you want to do is you want to form corporation. You can start your business for $99. Just click Start Business. These are the different options they have. It ranges from $99 all the way to $324. Comes with different packages that you might need. Articles of incorporation, annual reports. You can get a registered agent service. If you don't know how to do something, you can sign up and have them do it all for you. So business ownership is not hard. You can always have somebody do it for you. You just got to be willing to pay the extra. I mean, we can get it done. Select your state. I like to use Wyoming for tax purposes. That's me. You could choose whatever state you want to operate out of. You want to choose whether it's going to be a general for-profit corporation. You could do a non-profit corporation. Limited liability company, that's a LLC. So you choose what you want to do. We're going to be a general for-profit this time for this example. So now we're going to click general for-profit. These are all the things you can sign up for. Let's get it. It's $115 in fees. You sign up your information. This is how much we will be paying total. As you can see, $248 will make you a business owner. It's about to be tax time. I'm recording this in February. It is tax time, so it's no excuse. Start that business. The minute you start that business, the next thing you want to do, you want to go over to irs.gov and you want to set up your EIN number. EIN number is important. This is how you're going to get established business credit. You're going to need an EIN number. Once you get this EIN number, you can start signing up for different business credit opportunities and work on building your business credit. That's what the goal is, business credit. Business credit going to give you 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 times whatever your personal credit limit is. So for example, if you got $100,000 personal credit limit, they will give you $200,000, $300,000, $400,000, $500,000, depending on how much income you can show going through, your corporate accounts. These are tools we can use to come up. America is a corporation. They was built off of running businesses. The advantages come to the business owners, not the employees. If you become a business owner, you get to take advantage of those opportunities. This is how we build wealth, people. You're not gonna build wealth by working a job. 40 hours a week is not gonna help you be a millionaire. But owning multiple businesses, having multiple streams of income, that will make you a millionaire. Stay tuned, y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all hit the like button and stay tuned. We're gonna be dropping a lot of free game on the YouTube, and we also gonna have a course coming out for a couple of dollars if you want to invest in yourself, and it's gonna show you the way to wealth. Tune in, tap in, make sure you tapped in. All 2021, we're gonna be showing y'all how to achieve wealth. Let's get it.